Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make sweet tea on the stove only way. Bring 4 cups water to a simmer, add 6 tea bags, and steep 5 minutes. Remove the bags, then stir in 1 cup sugar until fully dissolved while the liquid is still warm. Cool briefly, then add 4 cups cold water and ice to taste. Serve over ice with lemon if you like a bright touch. Start by heating water to a gentle simmer and timing 5 minutes precisely for steeping the 6 tea bags. Remove the bags promptly to avoid bitter tannins and keep the pot on low heat or off the stove. Always taste a small cup before adding sugar so you can tweak strength with more tea or extra water. This simple timing step makes a consistent sweet tea every time and keeps it smooth. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like to support more helpful recipes. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life, and it's great for setting kitchen timers or streaming music while you cook. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab one if interested. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. While the tea is still warm, mix in 1 cup sugar and stir until completely dissolved for an even sweetness. Let the tea cool a bit, then add 4 cups cold water to bring it to serving strength and chill faster. Pour over a tall glass filled with ice and garnish with lemon slices if you want a bright finish. This method keeps the sugar integrated and yields a refreshing, classic sweet tea every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.